the inflationary pressure, particularly on the producer price front, is quite persistent, and it will be a problem going into next year as well. Energy prices are passing to the downstream, and some of that will probably pass to the consumer side next year as well. So that's a major risk for not only China, but for the whole world. Now, the risk of a stagflation is a hot topic in the market, and I do think this is a problem for the central bank going into next year, because basically it limits the room for the central bank to loosen monetary policy. So people may not expect the central bank to cut interest rate, for instance. The government bond yield has been rising. So that is a problem we are watching very closely.
Stagflation is a tricky investing backdrop, isn't it? Nonetheless, you're a long-term investor. So if others take a long-term view, how do you navigate through this?
Yeah, so it is a challenging macro backdrop, and a lot of uncertainty. And what we can do is to try to identify structural themes on the sector level, on firm level. There seems like new energy, seems like electric car, where we can still see reasonable trend going into the next few years. The growth there can be sustained, and we just have to zoom into those opportunities and try to identify individual companies. But on the macro level, I have to say it is quite challenging.